climb. Rob stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but
So, what? Oh hell. Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Wow, I really like this intro. Should I use it in my my future videos? I think I will because I love it. Okay, so today's video is going to be a little bit different and I'm super excited for it because like it's gonna be good, you know. When I say it's gonna be good, it's gonna be good, you know. So, I have a package right there. Actually, I don't have a picture there. I just unboxed everything, and I looked through the footage, and I had like my whole face was like white for some reason because this lighting is just like, you know. So I'm just gonna be pretending that the package is there, and I'm just gonna say this whole interesting like at the beginning. And so, as I said, the package is right there, and I'm gonna be unboxing. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, so I'm sorry. So I'm going to be unboxing it and explaining everything in this video. Story time. Basically, 6 months ago, which is 22 weeks ago, which was February. Yes. 6 months ago, Nikita Dragon posted this picture on her Instagram saying that she's happy to be like working with Too Faced and celebrating better than sex, like something day. And yeah, and she was hosting a 24-hour giveaway. She was hosting, okay, so she was hosting a 24-hour giveaway on her Instagram, right? So I go in like everyone does, and I just enter, and I say, like, I wanna win to try new looks with hashtag Two-Faced hearts. So yeah, and basically I forgot about it, and like that I entered, like, because like there's a bunch of people and just like, okay, I'm just gonna enter whatever, you know. And on the next day I go into my Instagram and I've got a message from Nikita Dragon's manager, and he was saying like, congratulations, and you won the better than sex Two-Faced better than sex you won Two-Faced better than sex mascara giveaway, and please give me your email address, phone, and you know. So I was like, I got very like, I wasn't even expecting that, like, you know, when you enter, you're expecting to win, like when there's like thousands of other people entering, like, you know, there's like no possibility to win, but this girl did. And I got super excited, and basically like I did everything like he said, and he said like, wait till tomorrow for future steps or something. And so on the next day I got an email from Two-Faced. Like, there was this girl that basically like I was talking to right on like by emails, and she was like, can you repeat like this whole thing with PO box and stuff like this. And so I did that, and she said like, and she said what, like, the package is going to be sent with like a year of supply, oh my god, a year of like my package, right, is gonna be sent out. So my package is going to be sent out. So after like about 3 months, like I was waiting for it like for 4 months or 3 months, the longest time ever, you know. And so it wasn't coming. you know, I told it to my friends and they go like, and they didn't believe me because there is no possibility to win. And they were like, oh, I don't think it's true. They never comes, you know. And I was like, oh yeah, sure they do. But I didn't have one, right? So I was waiting for about 5 months for this freaking package, and it didn't. And it didn't come. Mm, so I was like, you know what? You know what? So I decided to reach out again to Two Face last month. Last month I decided to reach out to Two Face and to basically say that I'm not going to insert pictures because my writing is the worst, so you don't want to see that. But basically, I'm gonna summarize it. I said I was um, I was a giveaway winner, which was hosted by Nikita Dragon, and I'm excited. Oh no. And I said that I was a giveaway winner, which was hosted by Nikita Dragon, and I've been waiting for my package for the longest time, but it didn't come in the mail. And is there any problem, or you don't want to send it out? Please tell me I'm worried, you know. So I got a reply back, which I wasn't expecting at all, but I did actually. And the girl, right, the one that I was talking to before, that's the same girl, and she goes, or maybe it's a boy, I don't even know. Or I'm just going to call her. I swear, I can hear everything my neighbors do in this house. It is insane. It's also so God. Okay, so I got a reply back from her. I'm just gonna call her. That's a girl, right? I think so. I don't. So I got a reply from her saying that, oh, I'm so sorry, but the package has been lost in the mail. You know, lost in the mail. I don't know if it's true or maybe she lied, maybe she did. But I was like, anyways, are you going to be sending out the package or what I'm going to do? Or like, or what I'm going to do, you know? And basically I had to write her my email and stuff like this again. And so she sent out a package for me. And she sent it out and she was like, oh, thank you so much. The package has been sent with your price and the apology. And yeah, the package came in the mail. Yeah, package came in the mail. I don't know when, but the like how do you call them? The postman? No, postman. No. Like the guy. Okay, I got this package. This like 4 hours ago, and I'm going to be unboxing. Unboxing time! Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys and you're gonna look at this with me, right? Wow, I'm so excited. Okay. You guys, I'm seeing this for the first time, as you guys do. Okay. Wow, do you see this? Whoa, they send me air, like literally. Oh my god. Yay! What? Wait. Let's see. Wow. That's so cool. Like. So, okay, so this is the Better Than Sex mascara. I guess this is not waterproof, right? Okay, so I have, and then this is the waterproof one. That's cute. Oh wow. She said she was going to send apologies. Like, oh my god, I have so many of those. Oh wow, I'm super excited. Wow. I'm gonna, okay. Can you guys see this? Like, it's crazy. It's this fancy, right? And you guys are probably wondering, like, is there any advice I can give on how to make a giveaway? But my biggest advice is to be active and most active as possible, and it's just gonna make you wow. I'm sorry, but this is just too awful. Oh my god, it feels so nice. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, basically, you have to just be active, as much active as possible, because, like, I remember it was like, she posted this picture and I commented on it 14 minutes later, right? So I don't think you have chance if you comment like the day after. But the second she people post a picture, if there's a giveaway in it, you have to enter. So as soon as possible, you know, like, I mean, first entries are always have more possibility to win, you know. Okay, so I'm just like fingering right now, like, look at this, so cute, better than sex. Better than sex, waterproof mascara. It's kind of heavy actually. This is so good. Ah! Yeah, guys, it's like, people think that it's only mascara, but like, okay, I'm gonna come closer. Oh, it just, do you see the difference? Like, I didn't even do my, like, bottom lash. Wow, guys, I'm blessed, you know. You know the moment that you feel like you're blessed? I'm blessed, you know. I'm gonna keep this like for their normal one, which looks like this, right? What? Okay, so I'll just open it. This one is so cute. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting kind of closer. Okay, this one is super cute. Like, it's kind of a rose goldish, but yeah, it feels nice. This is so what? Like, oh my god. Oh, but I need to ask you here. Okay. So, okay. I only have like, I can't like, but you can see that there's a huge difference, right? Wow. So right now I have like 3 of those and 3 of those, which they said that's a year supply, which they gonna last me forever, but I think I'm gonna give some of them to my mom, my friends, or yeah, or keep them for maybe a giveaway. I don't know. You never know, right? Hi guys, surprise, I actually wear glasses. So like, I've been watching this video, I was unboxing and everything, so like the story time, but I didn't actually get to thank Too Faced, so I'm gonna be doing this right now. And if Too Faced are watching this video, I'm just gonna talk to you right now. Like, thank you Too Faced so much for everything you've done to me, for the prize, for reaching out to me, for picking me, for supporting me, for dedicating time to me. Like, this is insane. And now I have some better than sex mascaras, which like I wasn't expecting them, you know, and this just happened. And yeah, this is because of And all of this is because of this amazing company, of your amazing company of Too Faced. And yeah, so guys, please check out Too Faced if you haven't already. I mean, all of you guys have heard of Too Faced before, but you know, they have some amazing products like Benet's mascaras and other stuff like palettes, lip products, eyeshadows, you know, and eyeshadows and blushes, same thing, but you know, it's just like the sprays, the fixing sprays. Okay, you get it. And I don't know what else I can do for Too Faced. Like, thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you've done, and I'm just so happy right now. And also, a tip how to win a giveaway is just to be as much active as possible, like constantly checking your social medias like Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, like all of those. And second tip is to follow big companies and big influencers, because they do a bunch of giveaways like Tarte, Too Faced, Sephora, oh my god, Sephora, like big influencers like, I don't know, like Jeffree Star, Jacqueline Hill, maybe Alicia Marie, like, you know, they do back to school giveaways, like makeup giveaways, like makeup influencers, like YouTubers, then just like Instagrammers, like, you know. And my third tip is to like follow or either look at the hashtag giveaway, which is like you go to the like the look where you look for people page, and you just look for, then you type in giveaway and then go to hashtags and then go to the first one and you just enter a bunch of those, a bunch of like, you know, posts with hashtag giveaway, because they are giveaways. And that's basically how I do it. You know, you don't have to be like it's nothing crazy, like you may be picked, you may be not. There's just keep in mind there's a ton of other people entering, but the main thing that in the end of the day you get something. And you know, that was my little prize. Not so little, like, okay. And yeah, no hate. Give it a like, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. They're in the description or in the end of this video. And yeah, I love you. And my lashes are snatched.
Fuck it.